Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bisha from InCred Equities. Nifty had a muted response to the airstrikes on 9 locations inside the territory of Pakistan as well as Pakistan occupied Kashmir. The fear of market participants, whether there will be an escalation towards the warlike situation, whether it will die down, what will be the response from Pakistan. Now, these things have been left unanswered. However, the indices have seen stability. Yesterday also it was more about time correction than price correction. In fact, the broader market was positive yesterday. Many of the stocks had also seen a bounce, which was not the case for the last few sessions where Nifty was going higher and or rather it was doing better, but your stocks were falling. That was a positive surprise. As I said, the uncertainty around the border tensions remains unanswered. There have been reports of further strikes by Pakistani army in the Poonch sector, which has resulted in significant casualties from our side. And there have been retaliations from Indian side as well. During this while, there will be a lot of verified as well as unverified reports, comments, commentary, and one will have to be calm and composed, at least when it comes to stock markets. Also, one needs to be prepared because there is going to be incremental volatility. If direct attack did not result in too much of a downside or reaction in stock markets, same may be case going forward, but what it can do is it can result in incremental volatility. That was about the geopolitical tensions. As far as purely market data is concerned, there was not much to talk about. As I said, 24,500 strike call writers have got more and more confident. The kind of rejections we are seeing at high levels, it is increasing their comfort level. Today being weekly expiry, it's going to be interesting how it pans out. But so far, even if there's a rise coming in towards 24,500, I think that is going to be the time that one can create shorts, at least for risk takers. One can keep a 100-point stop loss around 24,500 if it comes. Keep 100-point stop loss play for 24,200 kind of levels. Nifty did go towards 24,200, my immediate levels at one point in time. But right now, I don't see a trade whether for long or short. We did recommend a trade yesterday. It was based on one study, but it was, I would not say it was washed out, but it did not result in either a downside or stop loss. So let us see how that also pans out. FIs were net buyers of 2,600 crores, 2,400 crores buying by FI, domestic institutions as well. So this again is going to boost the sentiment. Many of the sectors were also stable yesterday. Gift Nifty is pointing towards 30 points upside as we speak after US markets also closed 40 bips higher. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a flattish note. Uh, it will depend a lot on what the fresh information comes from the border that will decide the fate of the markets. For now, as I said, one can use rise to create fresh short positions. That will be from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.